to get to like actually use the lift, and it requires two halves of a thing. They're like across, like spread across the map, but they're pretty easy to get to. Just look it up on the interactive map or whatever. Like go on the wiki and look up the great lift or whatever. And it should pop up the requirements, and you go in there.
I have one medallion. Oh, I have one medallion already.
Yeah, so just get the. Is it the right or the left?
Left.
Yeah, then go get the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, once you use the grand lift, you should be able to get to Mr. Radon Man, even though he's not actually up there.
You know, I'm a flame assault.
How does that feel, Daniel? Dude, what the heck? I really got glitched. Get folded, bro! You're bad! Look, imagine if we did this against Primadon. Oh my god, he would die so fast.
Yeah.
But he's so much different than a sword one. How much health does he have? It's not 75k. It's 60k, right?
Yeah. Wait, let me see.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Oh, okay. I have my team.
Oh! Let's go!
Let's go!
You guys killed Permadon?
No, Daniel got an actually good sword.
Screenshot!
Yo!
Hey, give me the shadow one.
Oh, yeah.
Also spawn your graceful fun.
Yeah.
Find a dang Lee. That took way too long.
Well, I found the deep looking bats in Forcera.
You made brain suckers.
Yeah, brain suckers. Yeah, they're in this game.
I remember that first time you guys found a lionfish. Oh my god, you guys were on like a dinghy or something. It's just.
Oh yeah,
that was so funny.
that happened.
I went to get ramen.
We're just like, Daniel?
Yeah,
That happened. Like, oh, Daniel, you can't say that didn't happen. Like, it did happen. First time we open the game up, we go to Summer Isle and a lionfish kills us.
Okay, well, now what, Daniel?
Mm.
Kind of weird.
What now? We take a screenshot.
Of what, our hero blades? Okay.
Freak out. You're just gonna hold your tongue.
I'm just gonna hold it back. That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Actually, you know what? Take this. Oh, where is it? Yeah. Wait, no. Here it is. Alright, hold yours out too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one looks cooler. Actually, the frost one looks nice.
It's so bright. It looks exactly like yours, and then the shadow one's longer. And wait, is it?
Yeah. Anyways, use your frost one.
I don't use frost.
Okay, fair enough. I mean, it just looks better. Whatever.
Okay, I got you.
Come on. No, wait, I'll take this screenshot, bro. Freak that. Freak you. Such